Hey, this is Dad Random. I've been really trying hard. I've been spending a lot of time trying to get this flight in. This is the flight that has taken me a lot of time because the setup has been challenging because of my lack of familiarity. I think I got a little bit in a hurry. So the Avata 2 is, first of all, absolutely amazing. So I have added the controller 3, which really changed everything. And then I had a whole lot of setup that I just had to relearn, and I got that. I even did some rate setup in my controller, and every time I flew, I'd screw something up. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to redo this. I'm going to reshoot it. So this is my second time reshooting it, but I think I got it now. So what I want to do is a manual flight of significance to just basically show the power of the Avata 2. So here we go. Let's do it. Just a nice relaxing flight in manual. Last time I crashed it. It wasn't a big crash. It was a stupid crash. So we just little dumb things, you know. So anyway, I think we got it taken care of this time. I think we have most of the bugs worked out. We're not going to do anything crazy today. I think I learned my lesson. I actually flew twice today, just trying to get everything straightened out. And even after my last flight, I'm like, oh my gosh, I made another setting. So I keep screwing up I keep screwing up the settings for my camera, and now I think I got it set up good. So here we go, Dad Random taking the Avata 2. We got the Avata 2 ready to go, and the controller 3. A little bit windy, so we won't do anything crazy in the wind, but I really am loving these goggles. Gosh, just amazing. And they fit so nice. So anyway, we're ready to go. Looks like everything's good. Got manual ready to go. Let's see if we can spin up. There we go. So let's do a little bit of manual flight in front of us here. Here we go. So just really smooth. All right, let's take it out. Let's take it out. So I'm really gonna milk this flight out. I think I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna stay within. Oh, look at the video. Okay, mistake 1, not having it in 4K 60. Okay. Mistake 2, having being in Rocksteady. The video turned out great, but I want a Gyroflow. Gyroflow is so much better in stabilizing the footage. So, and I'm doing the same thing right now. All right, Dad Random back. I've taken several flights with this. This flight was amazing. As you can see, I got down to below 30%, and I really didn't lose a lot of performance. You notice that I was able to do some power loops. I did a couple of those in that flight. I think I challenged the control pretty good by where I chose to fly. I think the guys, if you can't already tell, the controller 3 is is the only way to fly this thing. I know people are not going to like that. I know people are going to be insulted by the fact that I said that, but there is absolutely no other way I would like to fly this. You have so much control with the controller in sport and in normal mode, and then when you put it in manual mode, you just up the flight. Your flight quality just so much more. I mean, literally, you know, if you're looking for quality, you know, quality time in the air, I mean, you can't beat it. But yeah, this is a huge step forward. 4K 60, Gyroflow stabilized, range, flight accuracy. There's all kinds of things that I made a lot of. I think I really made a case for with this. So let me tell you something. The Avata 2 is, if I were looking for a drone that was a do-it-all kind of drone, this one might be it. I mean, guys, I got high wind warnings, and I still got, and then I screwed up my flight, came back, restarted, and still ended up where I ended up, flew the ridge, came back. So anyway, you tell me. You know, you tell me that it wasn't a successful flight. As far as the Goggles 3, these goggles are so much better than let me tell you something, than the Goggles 2. The Goggles 3 offer I mean, I'm sweating. I mean, it's hot. It's like 88 degrees right now. You see that sweat in there? All you got to do is turn on the defogger, and I didn't even do that today. So yeah, I got a little bit sweaty, and then you got to put these on. So if you make sure you protect your lenses. Okay, these were printed. So go to Lone Star UAV. These are Integra lens covers. So Lone Star UAV actually put some prints up that work perfect for the Goggles 3. Yeah, what an amazing flight. I do believe everything worked out. I really do. I think we've got the Gyroflow stabilized footage that I wanted. We got really good flight conditions, a little bit of clouds, really excellent contrast in the sage, the red stonework. You know, we've got all kinds of really cool things. We've got some altitude. We got to do a little playing around on the ridge. So amazing. So I hope you enjoyed that flight as much as I did. You can tell I did. Right after work, and like I said, the after work endorphins are absolutely flowing. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that flight. Dead random. Guys, the Avata 2, Goggles 3, and the controller 3. You got to have the controller 3. Absolutely no question. This is a must-have. As far as the other controller, the motion controller, put it away. Learn to fly with this one, and you're going to get tons more out of the goggles, out of the flight. You're going to get a ton more out of your Avata 2 that you wouldn't get if it was any other controller. So yes, controller 3 later. Dad random. Bye. All right. Have a great weekend with your Avata 2.